Is the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra better than Xiaomi 12s Ultra? Well, let's compare the specs of both phones side by side to know the winner. In the end, I will give my opinion on which one I think is better and why. Let's get started with the design. The Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra measures 163.3mm in length, 77.9mm in width, and 8.9mm in thickness, while the Xiaomi 12s Ultra measure 163.2mm in length, 75mm in width, and 9.1mm in thickness. Here, the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra will appear slimmer to hold than the Xiaomi 12s Ultra. The Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra weighs 228 grams, while the Xiaomi 12s Ultra weighs 225 grams. Both the Galaxy S22 and Xiaomi 12s Ultra support a dual SIM. The Xiaomi 12s Ultra has IP68 dust and water-resistant protection for up to 30 minutes, and so does the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. Looking at the display, the Xiaomi 12s Ultra has a 6.73 inches screen, while the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra has a screen size of 6.8 inches. The Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra has a display resolution of 1440 by 3088 pixels, while Xiaomi 12s Ultra has a display resolution of 1440 by 3200 pixels. And the same refresh rate of 120 Hz. The PPI density of the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra is 500 ppi, while the Xiaomi 12s Ultra is 522 ppi. The Galaxy S22 Ultra features a dynamic AMOLED display, while the Xiaomi 12s Ultra features an LTPO2 AMOLED display type. Both the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra and Xiaomi 12s Ultra have a Corning Gorilla Glass protector. Please hit the subscribe button if you haven't done that. I will appreciate it if you do that. Let's look at the performance. The Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra has up to 3 GHz octa-core processor, while Xiaomi 12s Ultra has up to 3.19 GHz octa-core processor. The chipset on the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra is a Snapdragon 8 Gen 1, while on the Xiaomi 12s Ultra is a Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1. Also, both phones run on Android 12. And the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra and Xiaomi 12s Ultra have the same Adreno 730 graphics processing unit. In terms of memory, the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra comes with 128 to 1 TB of storage, while the Xiaomi 12s Ultra comes with 256 to 512 GB of storage. Meanwhile, the maximum RAM in the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra and Xiaomi 12s Ultra is 12 GB. Both phones do not have a memory card slot. Looking at the camera of both phones, the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra features a rear camera setup of a 108-megapixel wide-angle camera supported by a 12-megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera and another 10-megapixel telephoto camera. While the Xiaomi 12s Ultra features a similar camera setup, a 50.3-megapixel wide-angle camera, supported by a 48-megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera, and a 48-megapixel telephoto camera. Looking at the video quality, the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra and Xiaomi 12s Ultra can shoot in 8K at 24 frames per second. Onto the front-facing camera of the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra is a 40-megapixel wide camera. And on the Xiaomi 12s Ultra is a 32-megapixel wide camera. The Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra selfie camera can shoot in 4K at 60 frames per second, while the Xiaomi 12s Ultra selfie camera can shoot in 1080p at 60 frames per second. Let's look at the battery capacity of both phones. The Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra is powered with a 5000 mAh battery, while the Xiaomi 12s Ultra is powered with a 4860 mAh battery. Meanwhile, the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra has a fast charging of 45 watts, and the Xiaomi 12s Ultra has 67 watts fast charging. This means the Xiaomi 12s Ultra will charge faster than the Galaxy S22 Ultra. Also, the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra and Xiaomi 12s Ultra support fast wireless charging with reverse wireless charging. Both phones feature a loudspeaker, wireless LAN, 5G connectivity, Bluetooth, GPS, and NFC, without a 3.5 headphone jack. Overall, the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra and the Xiaomi 12s Ultra score the same comparison score. In my opinion, the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra beats the Xiaomi 12s Ultra in camera. However, both phones are excellent. Which do you think is better for you? Leave your thoughts in the comments section and don't forget to like this video and subscribe. Thank you.